Welcome to Backyard Adventure and this beautiful winter day. Today I brought my tarp with me to the forest and I'm gonna show you how to set up a survival shelter and also a normal shelter plus a cup of coffee. Holy shit! There is some deep snow here. Wow, look at that! I'm a lucky day. There is running water in the middle of the forest. I can set up my tarp close to this running stream and then I don't have to melt snow for the coffee. That is a good idea. So I'm gonna try to set up my Jervenduken original from Jerven as a survival shelter. The really cool thing about the Jervenduken is that you can actually use it as a tent, kind of like a sleeping bag shelter tent survival kit. They have it in an orange color also if you want to use it primarily for survival situation. I also use this for camping, so that's why I bought this camouflage color. It is really strong. The material is superb. It is like really amazing, and the inside has this reflecting surface on it, so you can use it really in hard condition. Actually, it's a good product. When I start to make the knot in the tree there, I realize that I have to kick all the snow down first, because that's gonna make me really cold otherwise. Whoa, shit! Ooh, cold. Yeah, now the snow is gone. This would be my setup if I come to the forest, something happens, it gets super dark, I can't make a fire, maybe my headlamp is out. Then I would just make my tarp like that. And here on the ground I have prepared with branches and my mattress. And let's go inside. Welcome inside the Tarp Hotel. This would be a really good place to stay if you're in an emergency situation. If you can't make the fire, you can't see anything, maybe it's dark, you're late, then this will definitely keep you warm during the night. You can't really lay down in this small model I have, but I can hang on the tarp like that. So if I'm gonna sit a night like that and sleep and stay warm, I am totally fine with that. If you want to make a fire in the snow, it's important that you remove the snow first, because it's going to melt when the fire starts, and then the whole fire will just go into a big hole and it's quite hard to keep it going actually. So try to remove snow before you start the fire. The fire is going, but that was hard. All the thing I tried to use for tinder was so wet. I had to struggle a lot with my fire starter. I don't use a lighter, so it took a long time, but now it's going. Just gonna put the last branches on top of there, and then I'm gonna get some water and get myself a cup of coffee. I think I'm worth it now. Oh my god, that was a hard starter. That is a running stream I found earlier. I'm just gonna pick up some water there and make myself a cup of coffee. Alright, now I have to wait for the coffee water to boil, and meanwhile I'm gonna set up the tarp and have some nice shelter again. Now I have the tarp ready. I've covered the ground with some branches and a mattress, of course, and the fire is going there. Wow, fire, snow is falling from the sky, and coffee. This shelter will keep you dry. It's long enough to, you can be 3 meters long in here, still get dry. If you like this video, I have another video where I'm testing the temperature inside the Jervenduken. You should check that out also, actually. That is really interesting. This is so nice. Coffee. The fire is still going there. I brought a sandwich me also, so little bit of snack. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm heading back home again.